Hey everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Fabian Rodriguez. I am a technical community manager at Recast and a former sysadmin who's worked hands-on with Microsoft Intune and Configuration Manager. And in this video series, we will talk about practical, real-world guidance for IT admins to succeed with modern endpoint management. And if you're getting started with Microsoft Intune, one of the most important things you need to lock down early is device security. And the good news is you don't have to figure everything out from scratch. Intune actually gives you a ton of built-in tools to help secure your devices quickly and consistently. I'm going to walk you through what device security in Intune actually means, the core features you should be using right away, and how to start putting it all together in your environment. By the end of this, you should have a path to getting your devices more secure without overcomplicating things. All right, so let's start with the basics. When we talk about device security in Intune, we're really talking about controlling how devices are configured, what protections are enabled, who gets admin rights on devices, etc. This includes things like encryption, antivirus, and security settings, local admin access, compliance requirements, and access policies tied to those devices. The goal here is simple. Make sure only secure, trusted devices can access your organization's data. Let's start with security baselines. Security baselines are pre-configured sets of recommended settings from Microsoft. Think of them like a starting point where you don't have to build every policy from scratch. With the baseline, you can apply recommended security settings quickly, standardize configurations across devices, reduce the chance of missing something important. And if you're new to Intune, this is one of the first things I recommend using. But double check your company's requirements to make sure they fit your guidelines. Start with a baseline, then customize as you learn what works for your environment. Next up is disk encryption, specifically BitLocker. This is all about protecting data at rest. If a device is lost or stolen, BitLocker encryption ensures that the data on that device can't be accessed by anyone. In Intune, you can require BitLocker encryption, automatically enforce it, and store recovery keys securely. This is one of those must-have security controls, especially for laptops and remote devices. Now let's talk about Labs. Labs helps you manage local administrator passwords across devices. So instead of using the same password everywhere, which is risky, you can automatically rotate the local admin passwords, store them in the directory, and retrieve them when needed within the Intune portal. This is huge for reducing lateral movement credential-based attacks. If you're still using shared local admin passwords, this is a big upgrade and an easy one, to be honest. Next is account protection. This is where you control things like local user group membership, who gets admin rights on devices. This helps you follow the principle of least privilege, only giving users access when they actually need it. It also reduces the risk of someone gaining elevated access they shouldn't have. Trust me, it's easier to give admin rights than to take them away. Now let's tie security into decision-making with device compliance. Compliance policies define what it means for a device to be secure enough to access your resources. You can check things like, is the device encrypted? Is it up to date? Is it healthy and properly configured? If a device falls out of compliance, you can flag it, notify the user, or block access altogether. This becomes really powerful when paired with conditional access. And this brings us to conditional access. This is where everything starts to come together. Conditional access lets you control access to apps and data based on conditions. For example, only allow access from compliant devices. You can require MFA for certain scenarios. You can block risky sign-ins. So instead of just configuring devices, you're actually enforcing no access unless security requirements are met. This is what turns your security settings into a real-world protection. So let's quickly recap how this all fits. Security baselines gives you a strong starting point. Disk encryption protects your data on your device. Labs and account protections are securing your identities and access on that device. And compliance policies define what secure means. Conditional access is enforcing those requirements. So when you combine all those together, you're not just configuring devices, you're building a complete security posture. And trust me, your security team and customers will appreciate this. You don't have to do everything at once, but even a few of these things will make a big impact. And before we wrap up, if you're already working with Microsoft Intune and looking to make things a bit easier, tools like Recast can help. With right-click tools and application workspace, you can get faster fixes, better visibility, and simplify how you manage devices and applications. You can download the right-click tools for Intune for free. Check the description below if you want to learn more. I hope this helped, and I'll catch you at the next one. Thanks.